Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So we have three different job openings from two different companies. So first of all, let me say that the companies are LTI and Microsoft. So like in most of the videos regarding the Microsoft, I used to get constant comments like they are going to select us, the normal students. Why not him? Okay, so if you just believe in yourself, then this is not moving a mountain thing. You just have to learn things and you just have to be updated to get into the greatest companies in the world. Just try. Okay, there is now no harm in trying. Just try at your utmost. We don't know like where the fate is going to take us. Okay, so with minimal knowledge, it's difficult to get into Microsoft and LTA, those kind of companies, but I can assure you that this if you could update yourself, you could learn new things according to the company expectations, then definitely you will have a say, you will have a seat over there. Okay, so let me start with the LTI. So they are hiring for the software engineer at the Hyderabad location. So here you can see in this, they want some complete knowledge about their software development life cycle and the new technology kind of things. So here, this is the eligibility criteria, that is BE and BTech degree is what they're looking forward for. Excellent communication, interpersonal skill, readiness to accomplish tasks in a challenging environment, self-motivated, learner, and strives for excellence, proven hands-on software development experience. So they have not particularly mentioned like this much years of experience and things, but they want you to have, they want you to prove that you have some real-time or hands-on experience for the coding or for the software department. So for that, you can make use of any of the projects that you have taken, any of the competitions that you have appeared for, those kind of informations. Okay, and they have mentioned immense number of technology, like the basic thing to experience in developing web applications, at least one popular web framework. So there are so much things mentioned here. So if you are a student who having those kind of things, then you can apply. This is applicable for 2021 and 22 passed out students if you're ready to go for the same. Okay, so to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. Okay, so it's just nothing. You have to refresh it. It's been a while that have started opened this link and kept, so that's why they have mentioned session expired. It's nothing. Okay, so I'm just mentioning how the application process will be. You have to log in. If you don't have a career site, you can just click on this create an account and create an account, and after that you'll have a form where you have to fill your personal information, then your contact information, education details and everything, and after that submit to it, and you will have sessions to upload your resume as well. So make sure your resume is well updated for the software development department role, by including all the keywords that they have mentioned in the roles and responsibilities as well as eligibility criteria. Okay, so this is how you have to apply to LTI. And now let's we have an opening from Microsoft. So Microsoft recently have posted so much openings for software engineer full-time opportunity. So this updation is from this month. So it's a full-time opening available. So here you can see the roles and responsibilities. So you can just read and get to know like what you'll be doing it. And now coming to the eligibility criteria. BTech or MTech, MS degree in computer science or related quantitative field with minimal CGPA 7.5 on 10. So it is for 2022 batch. Then ability to write clean, well-crafted code with an emphasis on quality, simplicity, durability, and maintainability. Okay, you don't want to give a complex idea. You have to do everything in simple way. Obviously, for that only we are just taking care of all these technology, right, to make our life simple. Now, consider customers' perspective and experiences when implementing solutions. Demonstrate the ability to deliver tasks on time. Also exhibit the ability to adapt to change. Provide estimates, author validations, tests, provide timely issue resolutions, communicate effectively to surface progress, risk, and help needed within the team projects. Okay, so locations of operations will be Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Noida. So if you wish to get this, you can. They want you to have a minimal basic knowledge on software development and ready willingness to work. That is the first thing. Okay, and you must have 7.5 greater CGPA 2022 batch. Okay, so this is about the software engineer role, and we have another role open that is for the data scientist. It's a full-time opportunity as well. So here coming to the qualification criteria, it is also for 2022 pass out and 7.5 as the marking criteria. BTech, MTech, MS degree in computer science or related quantitative field is what is the qualification criteria. and Tagline score is plus. Experience with R, MATLAB, SPICY, Pandas, Vika, and scripting languages such as Perl or Python. Experience with Hadoop, HBase, Pig or MapReduce, Bigtable, Azure ML, a plus. Okay. Now, knowledge of C++, C hash, and .NET as a plus. So they want, that is experience in the sense you must have taken care of any project or any competition regarding the same. So there is immense opportunity to exhibit your career, and whoever is in the graduation like 2022 pass out and 21, whoever is watching this video, you need to build your experience. Even the freshers, you can see that for the freshers, opening to experience is asked. It doesn't mean that you have to get into a company and work and gain the experience. They want you to have the hands-on experience. Either you can work or you can just participate in some project or some competitions and get that experience done. Okay, the location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Noida. So these are the openings available, and you can just click on this apply now button and you can log in to the Microsoft Careers. And you can complete the application process. Okay, so application process obviously will be having the personal information section, then your resume, your skills, everything. So match everything with the eligibility criteria and roles and responsibility, and after that, kept done. Okay. Now coming to CTGC details, obviously for this LTI, so there you can get up to 4 plus LPS like 4.2, 4.3, 4.5 as a starting salary. It do differs, and this is an average estimation as well. And obviously in software engineer role and the data scientist role in Microsoft, I think I don't need a much more specification for the same. You can get greater than 20 LPAs. It completely depends upon the skill. These companies do value your skills and your performance. It's completely based on that. There are different levels of employees according to the performance that you give. Okay, so this is the details as well. So soon after the link get expired, please to make your application. Just just try whether it's possible or not. Okay, so if you have the eligibility criteria as they mentioned, there is no other space out, like they don't have give you like an opportunity. So obviously if you have something related to that, obviously we get an opportunity. Constantly check your mails, build your resume, your application, everything must be well and good enough that they will get to call you. Okay, so that's the opportunities available right now. So rather than sticking on to the normal norms like bulk hiring kind of things, you should think about these kind of high paid jobs as well. Just go through the eligibility criteria, go through the roles and responsibility, and try to upgrade yourself, learn new things and try to grow yourself. Okay, just update and get it to this company. As of now, from the 12th batch batch or the normal syllabus knowledge, every student will be having. That is not enough at all to get into a company. You have to build something yourself. And if you do that, then you have a space in the industry. If you don't do, and if you just have a simple degree, that every like lakhs and crores of students is having in India, just a simple degree and syllabus and knowledge, then your opportunities will be limited as that. Okay, so try to learn by yourself everything, like which industry you have to get in, which company you have to get in, what the company is looking forward for, and learn up to that and get it. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.